Number 8 naglalap na sana kay number 2 na kay 84 naman. Good for 3, no good. Kay number 7, off. Na kay number 7, good. Na kay 18, pinasa kay 8, good for 3, no good. Number 8, pinasa kay number 2. Number 2, good for, ay kay number 7. Foul tayo dyan. Foul number 55 and 52. Oras natin 9 then 13 seconds. No good. Nakuha ulit. Pinasa kay number 8 for 3. No good. Na kay number 30 and nagagawan na sila. Score natin 75. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Kay number 7, pinasa kay number 5, pinasa kay 18. Kay 18 pala yun. Number 1 for 2, no good. Score natin 75-52 in favor of 0-1. Oras natin 8 and 8 seconds. First foul, number 5. Pinasa yung number 15 na kay 8. Good for you. 2 points. Kay number 2 ang bola. Pinasa kay number 8. Number 8 kalaban. Good for 2 points. 61. 61. Pinasa kay 2. Good for 3. No good. Number 8 ang bola. Number 8. Pinasa kay 5 for 3. No good. Nakuha ni 61. Pinasa kay number 2. Pinasa kay number 61. Good for 2. 2 points.
Kala ko magdadagdag si Marcoleta.
5 minutes and 55 seconds.
61 ba, sir?
Good for 2. Number 8. Number 81-54 ang score. Oh, good. Nakay 18. Nakuha ni number 11. Good for 2. So good. Sa Kakuya. Nakay number 18. Pinasa kay number 8. Number 8 for 3. Good. Pasahan na kay number 12. Oras na. For 3 points. Good. For number 8. Score natin 20 seconds. For 2, may foul. May foul. Where's foul na rin? Number 1. Asok ulit. Pinasa kay number 1. Pinasa kay number 8. Good for 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 9. Nakuha ni number 1. 2 points. 83 and 62. Foul counter. Who's fouling? Score natin 86 and 62. 2 points for 1. Nakay number 8. Number 8. Inaatake na siya. Ayan na, nakay number 7. Pinasa kay 61. Good for 2 points. Number 19 nagdadalang bola. Pinasa kay 28. 7. Pinasa ulit kay 19. Good for 2. Good yan. For number 30. In favor of 0-1. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Good for 2. Number 28. Pinasa kay number 28. Number 28, pinasa kay number 12. Oras natin, 1 and 48 seconds. 1 minute and 42 seconds. 92-64 ang score. Good for 2, number 13. No good. Pinasa kay number 29. 2 points for number 29. Oras natin, 1 and 20.